Hi guys, we are at the Nut Tree. This is kind of the newer Nut Tree, I guess, but it's kind of like a little play area. You two kids.
These are the same ones when I was little.
I know.
Nut Tree.
Yeah.
I love it.
Go, Claire! You can beat Josh. Beat him! Hurry!
Don't fall over.
Let's see, pull yours up closer.
Go, Zoe! Come on!
Woo!
Stop that.
Slow it down.
Josh, so you're making a video?
Yeah, I'm making a video.
You gotta smile because he's gonna put the video on TV. Smile.
You're gonna be in this one too.
Hi, Josh.
Okay, it is train time. We're all gonna go on this little train over here. Claire, have you ever been on this train?
Yeah.
You have?
Does
Is
go
it
really
pretty fun?
fast?
Yeah, it goes really slow.
Slow?
Yeah.
You don't think Scout will be scared?
Yeah.
Are you excited to go on the train?
I'm gonna.
Oh, drool. Drool alert.
Drooly drooler. Is everybody ready?
Claire is the caboose.
They told us to put our hands and arms in the car, Grant. What do you say? Sky, you ready?
She's ready to go.
Oh!
There we go, Claire. With your mom.
Here comes the drop. Hold on.
Scout's going on the carousel.
We have to sit on a bench.
Wham! Woohoo! Bye!
And they're looking at laptop.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Scout! Scout, what did you think? Huh? What did you think? Did you like it? You just want to eat the camera?
All right, we just took some 5-month pictures of Scout, and she's already kicking her shoes off.
What you wanted? You can just have this one.
You guys, baby shoes are so impractical. They do
She
not
hasn't like
stay
wore these
on
yet,
baby
right?
feet.
She can chew on it?
Yeah. Is that yummy?
You're gonna spit up all over it.
She looked so cute. So we set this little chair up over here with some little pumpkins, and we took some pictures of her. And Olive kind of made her appearance in a few pictures. She was a little too excited. Alright, Josh and I just came out to the grocery store and we bought the last things that we need for Thanksgiving Day. And then we're gonna go home and make pies. We're definitely starting to prep for Thanksgiving.
Yes, we are.
And we're doing something really exciting with that bacon, but I don't think we're gonna tell you yet. Josh is peeling the apples. It is 12:30 in the morning and we need to end the video. I forgot to film the making of the pie because I got a little distracted, but
I think it's gonna be applesauce pie.
applesauce pie?
I don't know if it'll be.
This is like an apple crumble pie and here is the finished product. I think it'll be yummy.
It's just funny that we're not gonna know until Thanksgiving.
I guess we'll find out. Tell them what's on the agenda for tomorrow.
Kaylee and I went to school with my friend Kevin, and he married Sam, and they both have little Calvin. So we
vlogged their wedding.
Yeah, we vlogged their wedding.
Yeah.
We've never met Calvin though.
Man, was that 3 years ago?
It's gotta be.
At least.
Calvin's.
Yeah, at least 3 years.
Yeah. So we're gonna go over to his aunt's house tomorrow, which is cool because he grew up with in his aunt's house, and so in middle school and high school, like we always went over to his house. So it's just funny seeing us like grown adults with kids now still going to his aunt's house.
And tomorrow morning, all of my siblings that are not here, so Kellen, Casey, Connor, they're all down in Southern California. They're waking up at 5 a.m. and they are going to drive up north. So hopefully they won't have too much traffic. Hopefully they'll make it here in good time.
Yeah.
But if they make it here without traffic, they could be here by like noon or 1 o'clock, which would be so cool because by the time we get back from visiting with Kevin and Sam, they'll be here and I'm super excited to see them. And then the Thanksgiving festivities begin.
Pretty exciting.
I feel like Thanksgiving is like officially the start of the holidays because it's like as soon as Thanksgiving is over, the next day it is Christmas. Like it is Christmas time. Hardcore.
It is. I've already started listening to certain Christmas music.
I know. I'm so excited.
I'm not like one of those people that's like, you can't listen to it until after the... It's like...
Alright, well we are tired and we are gonna say goodnight. Thank you guys for watching today's video. We had another fun day with Claire.
She loves the camera.
She does love the
comes up to me
camera.
and she's like, Josh, we're not done filming yet, right? We're gonna keep filming, right? I always think it's funny.
And we just put up Claire's video where she helped us vlog. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. She did a really good job. Good night, guys. We will see you in the AM.
Tell them what to do.
Oh, thumbs up, subscribe. I always close one eye when I say that.
That's weird. I'm going to
I
bed.
think I always do that. I think I always go subscribe.
weird.
That's weird. Well, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. You should just do this video. You should just tell everybody what we're gonna do today. What are we gonna do after the park? Do you know? We're gonna make, what are we gonna make?
Cupcakes.
Yeah.